In this video we are going to fill login view. Let's copy and paste some codes in order to go more quickly. At first we check if the request method is post, then we are going to get username and the password. But if the method is post is get, then we going to return the login.html. After we getting username and password from user request, we are going to check if this username and the password exist in the database. For doing that and for checking the match, we use authenticate function and pass username and password to it. After that, we check if this user that we get is none or null. In other words, if this user exists, then the user is not none. In this case, we know that the credential is okay, and we should log in the user that we chosen and show a message to user that you are successfully logged in. For doing that, we use message.success to show the success alert method success message in front end, and after that we're going to redirect to home page. It seems that we have a typo in our coding. Let's correct it, and instead of in we should use is, and when the user credential is not okay and is not correct, we're going to fill else parts, which we want to show invalid credentials message to the user, and we're going to return to the login page again. Let's check login pass. As you can see, login is now empty and we do not have any fields. Let's fill login page. For the first thing, we are going to create a form with method post, and the first line is CSRF token for security. We first create a label for username. The second one is input with type input in order to with type text for getting the username, and for the class we use form control, which is a Bootstrap class for CSS, and we use for this div MB3 Bootstrap class, which is going to use to have some margin button for each row. Similarly, for password, we change the type to password, but we use the same label and inputs, and finally we use a submit button for submitting the information that the user entered in the username and password. We use class btn primary Bootstrap class for giving the style. As you can see, this is the appearance of our login. When we enter some invalid information, we should expect that invalid credential we received, but the color should be red, not green. We should replace success to error. Now let's create a new user in registration parts. We fill username, the password, and also repeat password, and register a new user. And let's wait to see what happened. We successfully received the message, and now we are going to log in with the information that it just registered, and let's be patient we click on login, and as you can see, the you are login message is shown.